In the heart of Rajasthan, Ranthambore tales untold. When the fort was my secret door, and the wild coast fierce and bold. Tigers roar in the moonlit night, peacocks dance in morning light. Mighty walls stand still with pride, echoes where ancient kings reside. Ranthambore, your wild embrace, nature's beauty in every trace. Born of legends in time's embrace, songs of past in every place. Through jungle green, monkeys chatter, life's unseen. Streams and trees join in the spree of nature's grand symphony. Fought for kings in battles brave, warriors strong and nations saved. History carved in stone so brave, legends that refuse to fade. Ranthambore, your tales are grand, wild and fought in a timeless land. Nature and history hand in hand, a song sung by desert sand.